Hello everyone, today my team and I will present the result of the PBL project draft that we have been working on. Before we begin, let me introduce myself first. I am Maulana Ershad and the leader of this team. And here are my team members, Viola, Sukma, Andre, and Sukoy. Okay, let's begin with the next slide, which will be present by Sukoy.
All right. I will explain this page about the draft concept logo. In here, about draft concept logo and logo sketch result. We start with the sketch, where each member draw logo sketch based on the agree of brainstorming, as you can see. And then the key element of our logo is a card and a pen, combined with the logo and text, or basically as you can say combination mark. So the logo we designed as a simple, modern, and the medium and the functional. The color we use our combination orange and black. We designed the logo this way because our audience is clearly small and medium-sized business owner in Batam. Okay, next slide. All right. Next, about this page. After sketching the logo, we process to digital. Once the digital was complete, we create a form, gather feedback from the audience about the logo we create. From the audience response show in the image, as you can see, we have the five logo logo number one, logo number two, logo number three, logo number four, and logo number five. The feedback on our logo was quite positive, as you can see. Good, good, enough, good. Yes, without with no significant issue regrading of the logo design. It can be seen that audience predominantly preferred logo number one because the concept of logo number one perfectly and capture of the point of sale of Angkringan. Okay, next. Last page, I will explain about the creative brief. As you can see, we have the anything about creative brief. We have the image, we have the reference of the logo design, we have analysis SWOT, we have the target, we have the using of color palette, and so the such as emphasizing that keyword of the logo we create, which is at nighttime and simplicity. This is definitely relate to simple tense, and because angkringan are generally open at night, right? With color there are not too dark and not too bright. The orange color in the logo represent about light or light at night. Once everything is complete, we are ready to move the next step to the to digitalizing the logo that has been drawing. That's all for me. Next slide. Thank you.
Okay, the next slide will be present by Sukma.
Okay, thank you. We use SWOT analysis to understand our product clearly. Botswana Strike is efficient. It helps food stall save time and work faster. Its weakness is limited feature for small store only. The opportunity is big because many UMKM still work manually, but the truth is system error or data leak that can reduce user trust. This analysis help use plan better improvement. Next. We use VIB and 4CEs to make your message clear and efficient. VIB mean feature, advance, and benefit. For example, auto transaction is the feature, saving time is the advance, and our business the benefit. The four eyes clear, confused, completing, and credible. Our tagline is angkringan business without delay. It's short, fun, and easy to remember. And your call to action, say Paswana make your business smart and efficient. Next, this is slideshow or interaksi digital media concept for Paswana. For example, user can search for menu item, add or reduce stock, and my payment through different method like cash or Kris. This concept helps small food stall manage their transaction faster and more efficiency. Thank you. Next.
Okay, the next slide will be present by Andre.
Okay, I will explain about the interface layout graph. This is a layout design for the interface that is still in the design phase. And the first one is a wireframe graph of the home page, which is still in the design stage and is still the plane. Next is the wireframe graph of the login page, which is the almost ready to be designed. Next is the wireframe graph of the home page is still not ready for use and is still in the progress. Next is the graph wireframe of the order history page, which is the almost complete. Next is the draft wireframe of the cash inflow report page that is a small, almost ready to be implemented. Next is the wireframe draft of the order detail page on the buyer page. Next slide. Next is the draft wireframe of the finished product page and ready to be implemented. Next is the wireframe draft of the cash outflow report page, which is still in the design process. And finally, a draft wireframe of the store owner dashboard that is almost ready to be implemented. Next slide. Next, I will explain about the draft implementation wireframe. The following is the wireframe implementation or rough sketch for the layout that will be used in the website page design as shown on the food, beverage, favorite order menu list page. Thank you.
Okay, the next slide will be present by Viola.
Okay, I will present about exhibition concept draft team management and event flow. In this document present the initial concept of the PBL TRM exhibition, which include the first is event rundown, serving as a timeline and activity guides. Second is exhibition committee structure, divided into several divisions based on roles and responsibilities. And then exhibition layout and floor plan to ensure the area is organized and structured properly. And then safety mitigation plan at the maintaining safety, comfort and smooth event and cushion. And last is committed dress code to ensure uniformity and professionalism throughout the event. Next slide. The next slide is draft visualization of self-identity portfolio. In this section contains each team member individual portfolio, which include personal information, work sample or portfolio piece, and contact details. Other portfolios are designed using Figma. Next slide. And the last is identification of risk mitigation for implementing indoor exhibition. This section identifies the potential risks that may occur during the implementation of an indoor exhibition, along with their mitigation. Mention examples of the risks include the first is lighting and electrical installation issues that may cause short circuit, and then the heavy equipment that may fall or cause injury. Other potential hazards that must be anticipated to ensure safety during the exhibition. Thank you.
Okay, that concludes our presentation. We hope that the information we have provided give you a clear picture of this project. And thank you for your attention and time. Good night.
Thank you.
And okay.